Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing to you how to change a pollen filter in a Toyota Prius. So the first thing you need to do is you simply need to open the glove compartment, and then on the side of the glove compartment there's a one this part, so you need to unhook this one, and after that you need to push inside a little bit this side, and you need to do the same this side as well, and this should come out. So once the glove compartment is out, then you need to, let's see, make sure the video is clear. So this is where the carbin filter is. You need to push this one and it comes out. After that you just need to take it out. And we are ready to put a new one in. So we've got a brand new one, which is a Blueprint brand. I'm just going to do the video like this once unpack it. Okay, so we've got a Blueprint, and most people ask which direction should the filter be fitted, right? So this one actually tells you the airflow should go for the arrow. So we're going to put like this, and of course we're going to put like this. Can you see, with the airflow arrow upward? It's a good practice also when you're changing the air filter to clean the compartment. Just clean it a little bit. Okay guys, so that's all you need to do to change the cabin filter, and of course you need to put back the glove compartment. As usual, if you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.